Hi there, this is Joseph of Joseph Forex Tribe and welcome again for another video. And today is our day 35. Ngayon pag-usapan natin is all about EA installation. So on this video, i-guide kita on how you can start mag-install ng mga EA or expert advisors o yung mga AI ang tinatawag nila. Alright, so let's jump into our main screen. Alright, so first thing, you need to download the platform. Alright, so all you have to do is go here sa login ka sa DoPoint mo, no? Then click on platform. Alright, then dito download for Windows. Alright, so kailangan mo dito ng laptop, PC or BPS. But this example we're using PC muna, no? Pero most especially dapat nasa BPS to kasi we need to run the EA 24/7. Alright, so let's jump into PC muna kasi same lang to process dun sa BPS. Alright, so click mo yung download yan. So as you can see sa akin kasi is down yung itong website na to. I don't know why, but anyway, you can try it naman sa'yo, no? And marami naman kasing hindi lang naman si DoPoint ang may MT4, MT5 platform. So most brokers meron sila. Alright, so all you have to do is download mo lang yan. Alright, so ito yung sa akin. So meron na ako ditong MT4 saka MT5. So for example, let's try to install the MT5. Alright, so this one. Alright, so ganyan. So click mo lang dyan yung next. Pero sa aking demo, click ko lang settings. I will create new folder terminal. Alright, so for example ganyan, go sa desktop, new folder lang tayo, new MT5 for example ganyan. Alright, tapos okay mo lang, then next, then wait mo lang siyang matapos ma-install. Alright, so wait lang natin. Alright, so ito I'm having a problem. I guess IP ko kasi ito, no? So anyway, so ganun lang siya normally mag-install lang. Ganun lang mag-install ng MT4 or MT5. So sa akin kasi may problema yata yung sa IP nito, kaya I'm having a problem with installation. But anyway, so for example na gawa mo na yon, so i-open mo lang yon. So for in this case, for example ito na siya, di ba? So all you have to do is to log in, no? Ayan, no? I-log in mo yung MT4 or MT5 account mo. But for this example, I'm using MT5. So ito yung account na na-generate mo dun sa DoPoint or sa broker na ginagamit mo right now. So ito for example, ito yung account number, then yung password, trading password, and the server. Alright, so for example yan, nakalagin na ako dyan. This is now the steps. Alright, so all you have to do is kunin mo yung EA mo. Alright, so for example ito yung EA natin, i-copy natin yan, copy. Let's go to file, open data folder, my MQL5, click experts, then paste. So yun, ganun lang. Tapos dito sa expert advisor, all to do is to refresh. Right click, then refresh. Ayan, doon na siya. Then for example sa ano to, ang settings ng EA is gold. So ito siya. Tapos yun, may mga settings din like may time frame. Alright, so ito yung time frame, no? So H1, this one is for H1. Ito yung EA natin na single entry. Alright, so ganyan. Ayan, so normally default lang naman yung settings natin yan. Then click mo yung auto trading, and that's it. Ganun lang mag-install ng expert advisors. Same process to dun even sa BPS, no? we will discuss it siguro sa mga future videos din natin. Alright, so if you have any questions, feel free to message me again. Alright, so that's it. If you have learned something today, post your resibo sa ating group, and I hope you learned how to EA installation na paano gawin. Alright, so thank you again, and see you again tomorrow for another video lesson. So thank you, bye bye, and God bless.